gators can pop out, right?
You never know. Come on, girls.
You never know because gators can pop out.
Yep.
Gators can pop you guys. And bite you. And crocodiles, or you got a lot of teeth on it. Ow! Don't ever pet an alligator. Oh, crocodile. It'll bite you. And it will bite you. If you're serious, so the Molly said, I can't go back to gator. And the Molly said, don't go say, I don't do that ever again.
So silly.
He ever say that. Wow, Mommy.
Yeah, we found a feather.
Wow, can I hold it?
Sure. You gonna protect it?
Yes.
Good job.
We gotta fit it. You can hold it. Ow. There's lots of seals in the grass.
Are you having trouble, little bells? You poor thing. I hear you over here. Come on, go this way, girls. Arabella, what's the matter?
I almost tripped.
Okay, you gotta be careful. Take time. I know that you get clumsy in those shoes.
I know. Clumsy?
Clumsy.
Clumsy. What? Who's clumsy?
Clumsy.
Clumsy.
No, come on. We're gonna go over here.
Hooray. Mommy, I am not going to go by the water ever again. Mommy, I am not going by that water ever again because gators... Mommy. When I was a bigger, I saw a gator swimming after me in that lake last night.
Be careful. Be careful.
And the gators popped out and ate me last night.
Every time we come here, the sprinklers are always on.
Really? Always on.
So we have to come this way and just walk around them. Follow Mommy, okay? Here. Here, just come right here and play until the sprinklers go off. Girls, come right here and play until the sprinklers go off.
I'm scared.
There's nothing to be afraid of. Mommy's here to protect you, okay? We have to wait until they go off.
Kelsey! Hello, Anna. How you stop on Anna? Anna?
Arabella, you're struggling today, you poor baby. Can Mommy help you with anything? What's wrong, baby girl?
Let me kill the ants.
Say hi. If you're gonna watch this later, say hey.
Alright, kill.
You wanna say hey? Okay, bashful. I'll do that again. Let me get those pretty eyes. Come here, let me see those pretty eyes.
Clumsy, Anna.
Era.
I found green Easter eggs. Easter eggs. Look. They're cats and Anna, look. No ants on them, Anna.
Don't worry, it's not gonna get us.
They come in here.
I have to get this out of your hair really fast. Honey, let me get it.
You only get it all. Yes, guys.
It's still there. No, I'm serious. I was gonna get it, you pretty girl.
No.
Hey, that's my sticker. You want it back?
That's my sticker.
I know, I'm just playing with you.
Anna, what are you doing here?
Oh my goodness, Arabella.
Anna,
Play nice, okay? Don't throw them. Be nice, okay? What's Ariana doing? Ari the fairy, what are you playing with? Who is that? What are their names?
This is Elsa and oh, it's chilly outside. It is chilly outside. Ah, Chelsea! What, Mommy?
doing over here, baby girl? Hmm? Era, come here, sweetie. Come here. No, don't do that, okay? Era, come. What did mommy say? Come on, sweetie. Arabella, it's all right.
Oh no, you want to go on a trip with me? Yes, let's go. Woo! You're just Oh, you want to go on a trip? Yep. Come on. Alright, I'm coming. First I gotta cover my boots. Alright, I'm coming, Anna. I'm coming next door. I don't want to stick. Ew, a big stick. Throw it in there.
Oh no, here we go with throwing stuff in the water again. Be careful, please. Don't throw anything else in the water, okay?
These sticks.
Ariana, what did mommy just say? We just had a talk, remember?
Ew, disgusting. Elsie, what's this? On here. Alright, I'm gonna throw a stick in the pool.
Ariana, I told you not to throw anything else in the water.
Yeah, I found one more stick. Mommy.
What? Talk to me. Look, the camera's in your face. You're gonna watch this later, right?
Yeah.
Say, hey, mommy.
Hey, Mommy.
Arabella, come. Come.
I say Elsa.
Careful. Give me your hand.
Elsa.
You are so goofy today. You are so goofy today. You have all that energy.
I want to play with egg. What are you doing?
Ariana, give me that pretty smile.
Explore, Anna.
Come on.
And come over here, Anna.
Bella, look at mommy.
Cheese.
Bella, hey. Hey, girl. Bella, I want that pretty smile. Can I have that pretty smile? I'm going to tickle you. Hey, Ari, you're going too close. Okay?
Don't go by the water, Anna.
It's her fairy voice that she always uses. Careful, come up here. You're getting really close to the ledge. Ariana, come here. You're making me a little bit. Come here. Bells, look at me. You're so sweet. Get that sweet face again. Not that close. This is what it's all about. Watching them grow and being with them in their lives every day, and I'm grateful.
Anya, what are you doing? Kids can play by the water and I'm having a dance party with Elsie. Dance party. No. No.
Ara, I told you not to throw your toys Mommy bought you, okay? Arabella, take care of them.